Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while, but if you want to see how I got this really pretty spring pink look, then please go ahead and keep on watching. So first things first, I'm going to be jumping in with my e.l.f. hydrating primer, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my face. I'm focusing on my nose because I've been kind of having some separation of foundation, and it's been so annoying. So I find that tapping it into my nose really makes a difference instead of just rubbing it everywhere. And so next I'm going to be going in with my Naturally Pretty palette from IT Cosmetics, and I'm going to be grabbing that light brown color called Cozy, and I'm just going to be using this as my transition color and applying it right in my crease with the puffy blending brush. Next, I'm going to be grabbing my loose powder, and this is from Imani Cosmetics in the shade, well, it's shade pink, but the name is Miss Know-It-All Dust. And I'm just going to be applying this right on my lid, all over my lid. This is going to be the only pink that we're using for this look, and it was a little bit difficult to apply, only because I really found myself having to go back to really pack on that color so I could get to the bright neon pink that I was trying to get it to. And so yeah, basically after I apply it on both of my eyes, I'm going to be applying it a little bit on my crease just to kind of blend it in. And this eyeshadow has a lot of fallout, as you could tell, so it's a good thing I did my foundation after this look. And so here I am just blending it, and now I'm going to be going in with that same color and packing it on with a flat brush, just because this color dusts away really easily. And just by me kind of blending it out, I messed up like the part of the lid where I had already packed on the pink. So here I am packing some and blending some. Now I'm going to be applying it on my lower lash line, and I know I'm looking pretty crazy, guys, but trust me, it looks good afterwards. And so there goes all the fallout, and once I wipe it off, I'm just going to be applying my eyeliner, and I'm not going to be doing a wing for this look, just because it's already pretty dramatic with the bright neon pink. So no wing, but I do need eyeliner for the lashes so that they could blend in. So here I am prepping my lashes and just curling them and adding some mascara so that they could be ready for the falsies that I'm going to apply later on. And I'm just applying some mascara also on my lower lash line. And I am applying a little bit of primer again, since I did have to wipe some of it off while I was cleaning my face from all the fallout. And next I'm going to be going in with my CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir. I think that's how you say it. I hope that's how you say it. Foundation. I'm in the shade Buff Beige. Number is 725. I'm just going to be applying this all over my face. Something I've been doing lately is applying it all over my face, and then whatever is left on the beauty blender, I'll put it on my nose as well as my concealer. This is my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and yeah, I've just been really trying to avoid my nose with as much product, or with this little product. I've been trying not to put so much product on my nose because it's been getting blotchy, it's been separating, and I don't know, I think it's because I'm getting older and maybe my nose is getting oily, but it's been looking kind of funky. So I just try to put as little product as possible, but still so it could look nice and blend it out with the rest of my face. And so now I'm just blending everything out. And I really love this foundation. If you guys don't want to waste a lot of money, I mean, on the foundation and on the concealer. So if you guys aren't trying to waste a lot of money, these are really good alternatives. And so next I'm going to be going in with my Spun powder. I'm in the shade Naturally Neutral, and I'm just going to be using this to set my concealer. I'm going to be applying in all the places where I had just applied concealer, and I really don't like to bake that much just because I feel like I get really cakey, but I do like to apply it just to set everything. So here I am dusting everything away, y a la misma vez kind of aprovechando to get all the dust on my face to set all of my face, like the foundation and everything. So yeah. Now I'm going to be going in with my LA Color Mineral Pressed Powders. This is in the shade Sand, or Color Sand, name Sand. And I'm just going to be using it to bronze up my face. I'm going to be applying it right underneath my cheekbones, on my temples, my big old forehead, and my jawline. Y para taparme el gordito right there underneath my chin, because this works. all about dimensions and it's all about shade, ladies. So here I am packing it on, making my forehead look smaller. Cute. Now I just recently purchased this blush from Ulta. It's called Sweet and Shimmer, or Shimmer and Sweet, and it's super pigmented. I think it was like $3, you guys, and I've been so obsessed with it ever since I got it. And so you want to make sure it's just a little bit of product. I like kind of testing it out, kind of just like poniéndomelo a la piel, and then, you know, kind of just blending everything out. So that's what I'm doing to give myself some color, because it's spring and you want to look healthy with color. Now I'm going in with my favorite highlight. Girls, you guys need this in your life. Like, look at it. Look. It's so good. It's called Precious Petals, and it's from Wet n Wild, and it is just glowing, okay? Glow, ho. Just kidding. No, really. You do glow. And then look at my nose, how cute and shiny it is. And of course, you know, I gotta go in on my little Cupid's bow. Yes, that's right. Yes. Now I'm going to be throwing on some Ardell Wispies. And I'm going to be adding some black liner to my waterline. You could leave it without any eyeliner. I just wanted to add some because I thought it looked better. And now I'm going to be setting everything with my Mario Badescu Rose Water. And you guys, I've been obsessing over the spray. I just got on the bandwagon. If you guys haven't, jump on it. It works hella good. And now I'm going to be applying my Clinique lip gloss. And this is called, well, the color is pink, but the name is called First Date. I'm just going to be applying that all over my lips. Since I already have something super bold going on in my eyes, I wanted something soft on my lips. And this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. It's perfect for spring, and if you guys did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Thanks, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.